When torturous driving conditions leave you bargaining for the life of your car, BlueDevil head gasket repair is proven to create an eternal seal that keeps your car running and your life moving. Or your money back, guaranteed. This easy-to-use, time-tested solution is compatible with all engines and trusted by a generation. Ensure your cooling system is clean and free-flowing. Before application, allow engine to cool. Remove your radiator cap. If full, drain radiator to allow room for BlueDevil. Slowly pour head gasket repair into radiator. If your vehicle does not have a radiator cap, pour through the radiator hose. Do not pour into reservoir or overflow tank. Fill cooling system to proper level. Replace radiator cap. Start engine. Turn heater to max with fan on high. Allow vehicle to idle for 50 minutes. Turn vehicle off. Allow engine to cool for 1 hour. Top off cooling system with factory recommended antifreeze. BlueDevil head gasket repair. Easy to use. Saves money. Guaranteed repair. BlueDevil Auto Care Solutions.